Yes. I have an unusual question.
Uh-huh.
I was well. First of all, do you have any birds?
Yes.
All right. Well, I have
I have
like
a few. What's going on?
I just I have like this internet bet where I have to like kiss a bird, and I was wondering if I could possibly come in and kiss a bird.
I don't care. Yeah, that's fine. No problem.
I just have to like get some video evidence of me kissing a
Yeah, yeah,
bird.
yeah. No, come on.
All right, man. I'll be in. I'll be in to kiss a bird.
All right.
All right.
Bye.
Bye bye. Hello, this is Wicked Shrapnel, and I just arrived at the pet store, which I called ahead and asked if I can come in and kiss a bird, and they said, yeah, that's no problem. So, here goes nothing. I'm sure they get these kind of calls all the time. Oh, let me go in here. It's kind of weird. In here. Hello. I'm the weirdo that called about kissing a bird.
What's this about? What do you
It's
win?
an internet bet.
What do you win?
It's more of a
Just
challenge of doing it, I guess. So, alright, are these the kind of birds that won't peck my eyes out if I kiss it?
Just hold like this. Like that.
Alright, here we go.
Are you want me to take it? You want me to take it? Heard you get it?
I think I got it. Maybe I'll do it just.
It's not gonna bite you.
Double take. Alright. It's a parrot?
It's
Oh my god!
is it the red button?
I think it's still recording.
Okay, go ahead. Alright.
Birdie.
Alright, that's proof positive. Luckily,
Wow, that's a $200 bird too.
I said luckily, like these, you didn't have a face, so
Yeah.
you're lucky you picked the bird that's a baby.
You'd eat my face off, huh? Wouldn't you? See, talk.
I'll say hello sometimes.
Hello. 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 Like this one. Hello. I guess they're camera shy. You camera shy? You're a pretty birdie. Hello. Did you just eat your feathers off? Yeah. Do a head bob. All right. Well, I guess that's it. I did it. All right. Later. What are these guys doing?
French kissing.
Chicken taco salad. That's what my food said lunch. Black beans, chicken breast, potato. It's one of the healthy ones too. It's like real high protein, but it's like real.